How to turn off restriction mode on any iPhone. To turn off restricted mode on iPhone, you want to open the settings of your phone and then you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on screen time. Then you want to tap on content and privacy restrictions, which is on the left. As soon as you do that, you'll end up to this page, and on the top you can see there is some enable and disable switch which contains content and privacy restrictions. Then all you want to do is you want to turn off this, which can be done by just tapping on it or sliding on the other side. And then if you want to keep your restricted mode on, you just want to turn it back on again. And that is one way to turn off restricted mode on any iPhone. The next thing you can do is you want to go to your home screen and you want to tap on the profile. And then you want to scroll down and then you want to just sign out of your account. Then you want to tap on keep a copy of some things, and then you want to tap on the sign out, and that is how you can turn off restricted mode on any iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.